Ever wondered how ancient wisdom from China could hold the key to transforming your financial future? Dating back centuries, Chinese philosophy emphasized not just wealth accumulation, but also the preservation of prosperity through disciplined saving habits. This profound money-saving rules from Chinese culture that not only save pennies but build fortunes. In this video, I will uncover 8 powerful money-saving rules derived from Chinese wisdom that can revolutionize your approach to personal finance. By staying tuned, you'll gain actionable insights into applying these ancient rules to your modern financial life, ensuring you don't miss any crucial steps to financial freedom. If you're ready to rewrite your financial story, hit that subscribe button. We're committed to guiding you towards a future of financial stability and success. Now let's quickly dive into Chinese secrets. Number 1. The art of thriftiness. Here's a curious question to begin with. What if the secret to becoming a millionaire wasn't earning more, but needing less? That's exactly what Chinese philosophy has practiced for centuries, the art of intentional scarcity. In bustling cities like Shanghai and Beijing, the art of thriftiness isn't just a habit, it's a way of life. Thriftiness builds a foundation for financial security. Most people fall into the trap of spending every dollar they earn, leaving them vulnerable to economic uncertainties. Start small, but start today. Save a portion of every paycheck, even if it seems insignificant. Ask yourself, how can saving 30% of your income now impact your future financial freedom? Practice delayed gratification, automate savings to avoid temptation, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. As the ancient Chinese proverb says, save a little money each month, and at the end of the year, you'll be surprised at how little you have. Number 2. The power of family-first finances. What if I told you that one of the greatest wealth-building tools isn't in your bank account? It's sitting at your dinner table. In Chinese culture, saving money isn't an individual habit, it's a family philosophy. Generations save together, invest together, and grow together. It's not me versus the world, it's us building an empire. But here's the sad part. Most people today are financially disconnected from their families. Kids grow up never learning about money while parents silently struggle with bills. The result? A cycle of financial chaos, where each generation starts from scratch. Want to break the chain of financial stress in your home? Start having money conversations. Create a shared goal. Pool resources for a mutual fund. Invest in education, not just expenses. When families save and grow together, they don't just create wealth. They create generational strength. Number 3. Think 10 steps ahead. What if I told you the biggest reason most people stay broke is because they only plan for Saturday night, not the next 10 years? In Chinese financial culture, long-term thinking is not a luxury. It's a survival strategy. While the West glorifies instant gratification, Chinese wisdom honors patient wealth, decisions made today for results 10, 20, even 30 years later. Because true wealth is built silently, by people who delay rewards, stack investments, and play the long game. But here's where most go wrong. They save for vacations, not for compounding. Niu Gensheng, founder of Mengyu Dairy, came from poverty but built a billion-dollar dairy brand through consistent long-term strategy, reinvesting every yuan into expansion instead of chasing quick wins. Want to start? Here's what you can do. Write your 5-year money vision. Break it into yearly goals. Start SIPs. Automate your savings. Review and refine your plan every quarter. Chasing instant pleasure might cost you a future of freedom. But playing the long game, that's how empires are built. Number 4. Speak up, stack up. The wealth secret of smart negotiators. In Chinese culture, negotiation isn't just a tactic, it's a daily money habit. Whether it's buying vegetables or signing a business deal, they believe if you don't ask, you don't get. This mindset isn't about being cheap. It's about valuing your money and knowing your worth. In the book Never Split the Difference by former FBI negotiator Chris Voss, he shares, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate. And yet, here's what most people do wrong. They silently accept every price tag, every job offer, every bank fee, then wonder why they're always broke or undervalued. Silence may feel polite, but in money matters, it's costly. Practice negotiation in small places. Your next online subscription, utility bill, or freelance rate. Do your homework, speak with clarity, and always remember, the first price is never the final price. Number 5. Investing in education. From rural villages to bustling metropolises, Chinese families prioritize education as a pathway to prosperity. Education enhances earning potential and opens doors to career advancement and entrepreneurial opportunities. Invest in skills that are marketable and adaptable to industry trends and technological advancements. Pursue certifications, attend workshops, and seek mentorship to continuously expand your knowledge base and expertise. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Number 6. Turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. In modern Chinese culture, technology isn't just convenience, it's a wealth multiplier. From budgeting apps to QR payments, investment trackers to AI-driven e-commerce, they've turned tech into a personal finance ally. According to The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco, wealth doesn't come from hard work alone. It comes from leverage, and technology is the most powerful leverage we all have access to. Use technology to control your money, not escape from your life. Download a finance tracker, set up alerts, take online courses, automate your investments, track every dollar like a business tracks its inventory. Average people let technology entertain them. The wealthy? They let it empower them. Number 7. Frugality isn't poverty, it's power. What if I told you the richest people in the world often live like they're broke? On purpose. In Chinese tradition, frugality is seen not as deprivation, but as discipline. It's a mindset that says, I don't need to show off. I'm building something bigger. The best-selling book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, echoes this beautifully. Wealth is what you don't see. It's saved, not spent. Overspending isn't a lifestyle. It's a leak in your wealth pipeline. The more you chase temporary pleasures, the longer you delay permanent freedom. Don't waste your energy trying to look rich. Use it to become rich. Start with small cuts. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook more meals at home. Delay that flashy upgrade. It's not about being cheap, it's about being intentional. The flashy spender gets applause today. The frugal builder earns applause for life. Number 8. Get rich slowly. The Chinese secret. No one talks about. Chinese money culture. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a financial weapon. It's about understanding that wealth is a bamboo tree. You water it for years without seeing much, and suddenly it shoots up 90 feet in weeks. In Atomic Habits, James Clear says, all big things come from small beginnings. The seed of every habit is a single, tiny decision. People want quick returns, viral success, instant gratification. So, they jump into crypto trends without research, buy luxury items on credit, or quit too soon on businesses that just needed more time. This impatience costs them compounding growth, peace of mind, and long-term success. So here's what to do. Delay that upgrade. Stick with your investment plan. Let your business grow slowly but surely. If you can delay pleasure, you fast-track freedom. Patience is the currency of lasting wealth. If you found these strategies enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more transformative insights into building wealth. By subscribing, you are wealthy. You embark on your journey to financial freedom today. Until next time, remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to a richer tomorrow.